step 5 for you. I do that 3 times 16, I testify. And I want
will win, not because life is easy, but because I refuse to quit. You see, winners aren't born, they're built.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to another vlog. We are about to head to Portland. It's the next day of my nephew's celebrations. Yeah.
I went to the beach. Yeah, my car milk for fun.
She take over the vlog.
If you guys want to see more, if you guys want to see the better content, go to All About Adri. All About
Girl, please. Girl, bye. Shout out to her. Yeah. I'm not even going to show them much from last night. However, I'm going to show you guys some small clips. Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you guys my face. Let's come along with us on the journey. Tell me, where do we go from here?
Send me the location, then I'll be right there. Jamaica, come check you, my babe. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. We bring girls to his location. No time. I
love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly about it. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me.
So guys, we're actually leaving now. After that long drive there, I'm tired. I'm gonna go with 25 already because I mean, we left from St. Catherine, then we went to Kingston, then St. Andrew, and then we go to St. Mary, then we go to Portland, and then we're going to take St. Thomas to go back home. So we're traveling, come like across country. So I'm tired, and so forth. But anyhow, nevertheless, we had a great time. I did go into the water, and
I'm ready.
No, I said, no, do we tell them for come up? Yeah, so everybody enjoy themselves. I did too. I don't know what's my ears are embarrassment. The way I almost sweat, my hair lifted and then all the way back. This is such an embarrassment. But anyhow, we are going to wash off and then head to get something to eat. I think we're gonna make a stop at KFC, and then after that we're going to go home. So thank you guys for trying the journey with me and continue to watch the rest of the vlog.
Here's your chance to 180 on the freeway. Catch me if you can. Forgive me, I'm a rider. Still, I'm just a simple man. All I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International. Player with the passport, just like a Latin switch. Get you anything you ask for, either him or me. The champagne, Hennessy, favorite of my homies when we floss on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed beat. What my foes need, make some emojis, funk you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, but a long day.
Hey y'all, so I just got in and yeah, no way, is that embarrassment? Like, I was showing it before, so it's an embarrassment from the lady. I guess I'm Mary instead of my ear. I know it does seem to be going to KFC because we just never cared. We just never cared. If you see any video with me over TikTok or my wig so just go over the people in the comment section and tell us, listen. The girl had a time. She had a time all around that. I am tired and I am sweating right now. I was missing just come home. I would have to cut everything I gotta carry that I know how to carry everything. So you know say I sweat up on all of that. So now I'm gonna take a nice look about, but I just wanted to come back and say it's the end of today's vlog and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Stay safe.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 but I'm 16. I testify for you.